All right, got the old fault code on the dryer that the vent tube is clogged. I had a service technician come here and he did a little air test with the door. He stuck a tube in here and he says your vent tube is clogged up in the walls here, going all the way up to the ceiling and outdoors. So I got the longest one I could get through Amazon. It's the 30 feet long dryer vent cleaning kit. And I'm gonna put that together and I'm gonna disconnect this dryer and show you how to put it through there, and let's get it clean. Okay, here we are. We're gonna disconnect the dryer vent here. Most of them are just a simple clamp. Okay, simple clamp right there. You're gonna use a flathead screwdriver. Okay, if they don't have a clamp, they should get a clamp, or go get a clamp for it, because these things can come loose and get all over the place. And here's your tube. You're gonna go up in your tube with, you're gonna use a drill. You need a mask, you need goggles, okay? So you're gonna need both of those. And you're gonna need the kit here. The kit comes with a little brush that will go up in the tube that goes all the way to the top of your house. And you have your connecting sticks here, and you're gonna get a roll of tape in the box. The tape is to connect these pieces together. These pieces right here, they have little screw tips, and they come together, and you're gonna tape each one so they don't come loose up in the tube. And make sure you wrap them good. Here's one that's already wrapped. It's the end one for the drill, and that's gonna be the last piece you want to go up with to put it in, and then attach this to the drill, and make sure your drill is going in the clockwise direction so you don't break these off or unscrew these off, because the tape is only going to hold so much, and then you'll pull it back out when you get done. All right, we're gonna get started here. Okay, once again, we're in the process here of connecting the tape to where the links are put together for the to go up the shaft. This is to make sure it doesn't come apart up inside your shaft there. That could be a real problem. Okay, next here, I'm just going to shove it up in the tube here. Make sure you got your goggles and your mask on. I got to put my goggles on here. We're going to continue on the process here. Okay, the process is beginning here, as you can see. Stuff is falling out. All right, I've gone up there, I've run the drill, I've gone through up there. I think I've removed my clog all the way. I'm gonna re-stick it up there again. Make sure you tape your joints together. It works for me. Good luck, God bless. And make sure you reattach the dryer when you get all done.